Almost all of us, at some point, have asked ourselves questions like, but what's the point of solving a quadratic equation? Or, when will I ever use math in real life? Or even, why is math so important? Today, we'll try to answer these questions by presenting 7 solid reasons. Reason number 1 might seem obvious. We use math every day, often without even realizing it. This is what we could call basic math. Knowing numbers, basic operations, and proportions applied to everyday practical situations. When we do the grocery shopping, split a bill with friends, or estimate how much food to cook for dinner, we're already using math. This ability helps us make better decisions, save time and resources, and avoid mistakes. But that's just the tip of the iceberg. The value of math goes way beyond simple calculations. Reason number 2, and in my opinion, the most important, math trains our thinking. To explain what I mean, let's shift perspective. Think of math like bodybuilding. Lifting weights by itself doesn't do much. You rarely lift a barbell in everyday life just for fun. But when that action fits into a bigger goal, improving strength, health, discipline, then it starts to make sense. The same goes for solving a quadratic equation. Seen on its own, it might seem pointless. But math is not just about numbers, it's mental training. Studying math develops logical thinking, problem solving, and the ability to analyze complex situations and make rational decisions. Even if you don't solve equations daily, the way math teaches you to reason helps you plan, handle unexpected events, interpret data, and face challenges with a structured mindset. And it also teaches perseverance. The process of trial and error strengthens your ability to tackle hard problems and not give up easily. The power of mathematical thinking extends far beyond the mind. It underpins all sciences. From physics to biology, from chemistry to quantitative psychology. Without equations, models, and numerical analysis, we couldn't understand natural phenomena or predict their behavior. In the world of technology, math is the hidden engine behind it all. Search engines, social networks, mobile apps, even AI, all of them rely on mathematical principles. Neural networks, big data analysis, encryption that protects your online information, it's all built on math. Even newer fields like bioinformatics and data science would not exist without advanced mathematical tools. In a fast-moving world, math isn't a luxury for a few, it's a key skill for many. Math is working behind the scenes all the time. When you use a GPS, it's powered by optimization algorithms and geometric triangulation. When Netflix or Spotify give you personalized recommendations, that's math in action through machine learning. Economics and finance, which directly affect our lives, rely on math to forecast markets, calculate risks, and optimize investments. Modern logistics, which moves millions of packages daily, is powered by mathematical planning. Even in medicine, math is used to simulate disease spread, design personalized treatments, and analyze diagnostic images. In environmental science, math helps predict climate change and shape sustainable strategies. We live in a data-driven society. Surveys, statistics, averages, growth rates, probabilities. These tools are everywhere, in the news, politics, advertising. To avoid being misled, we need to understand and interpret them. Those who understand math are better equipped to evaluate claims, tell the difference between correlation and causation, and spot misleading charts or numbers taken out of context. This kind of mathematical literacy is essential for informed, active participation in democracy. Math helps us grasp big societal issues, from healthcare to migration, from economic resources to energy consumption. It's a civic skill, not just a school subject. Contrary to the stereotype, math is not rigid and mechanical. It's deeply creative. Discovering a new theorem, finding an elegant solution, spotting hidden symmetry, these are moments of beauty for many mathematicians. Math also interacts with art. In Escher's works, Renaissance painting proportions, and the natural fractals that inspire digital graphics. You'll find mathematical structures in music, dance, and even poetry. And in applied fields, creative thinking in math is crucial for designing innovative models and solutions. Combining abstraction with concreteness, precision with imagination, that's what makes math truly alive and surprising. In today's world of big data and fast decisions, math is one of the most in-demand skills in the job market. Math skills translate into the ability to think clearly, solve complex problems, and interpret numerical information, all highly valued in a rapidly evolving workplace. And the global challenges we face, climate change, pandemics, resource management, all require advanced mathematical models. Training minds capable of tackling these issues isn't just useful, it's essential for the future of humanity. Math is not an optional subject or something reserved for experts. It's a fundamental language to understand, analyze, and change the world. It's a bridge between thought and action, between abstract ideas and concrete reality. Studying math means learning to read the complexity of the world, to find order in chaos, and to become more aware and better prepared. What do you think? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more math videos and curiosities.